This is how you can create a new Google account. You first of all go to your Google and search for how to create Google account, and come and click on create Gmail account here. Then here you click create an account. Now I have an existing account, so it is trying to bring me to the existing account. If you already have an existing account, you can just come to your account, and then below it you scroll down, you will see add another account. So you see all of these, so you still come to what, use another one. Then when you come here, you click on what, create an account for personal use, for child, for business, and all of that. So you click on what, for personal use. Then they will ask the first and last name. So for example, so you put a name and then the first and last name, then you click on next. They will ask you of your date of birth. Then so you put your date of birth and the gender. After that, you click on next. Then they will ask of the username that you want to use for your Google account. So you click on next, and you'll be asked to put your password. So you put a very strong password. So click on next. You'll be asked to add a recovery email to address where Google can contact you if there's an unusual activity. So they are asking for a recovery email. So you put your recovery email and then click on next. Then review your account info. Next. So privacy terms, make sure that they want you to follow, to agree that you follow the policies. So you click on I agree. And then you are into your Google account. Right away, your account has been created. So that is how to create a Google account without phone number. And let me let you know that in some cases, Google may require a phone number by default, especially if you have created so many multiple accounts. Yeah. If not, sometimes they will just allow you to create it without asking you for the phone number. If you follow this process and you have any problem, you can leave it in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us for any assistance. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Bye.